Okay, good morning. We are back with a new video, and today I'm gonna discuss my mistakes from this week, and I'm just gonna show you maybe some new opportunities with trading and some trades which are still running. As you see, on this pair we haven't been doing so well lately, and also, guys, I'm a bit sick. Yesterday I started to get sick, so but we want to show up. We also want to do our workouts, but we don't feel really well. A lot of headache, but we will just make this analytics because we want to show myself that I can be consistent. And consistency will create a really big compound effect. So I still have to document this one trade. It's a stop loss because what did we see yesterday? We thought, okay, I'll give you a more cleaner chart later on. By the way, I can also just delete all of this. We had that front runner earlier this week, and then we hit almost our take profit here. We went back towards our stop loss because apparently there was still liquidity above here, which have to been taken out before we will go all the way back down. So this have been an unfortunate fail, and that's all okay because if you don't fail, you can also not grind your way to success. Anyway, then we ended up with this trade because what we thought we thought we swept this low over here, and then I thought like this small push we have like a small change of character and then go back down. So I thought, okay, we're gonna break out, we're gonna take this opportunity to go more long. We placed actually our limit over here, so we got tapped in here and directly went towards our stop loss. And yeah, that's all okay. It is what it is. We cannot make it worse. I already feel worse. Then on gold, what did happen last week? Actually, we also had an extra trade on here. Actually, I already got my take profit because I entered like this eventually. So yeah, my TP was around here, this area. So I think the entry was like this, somewhere there. So I hit my take profit there, and before that I hit two times the stop loss, one and one also here. Once again, we take out the lows. I think I still need to document those, so we'll keep them on the chart for now. But why I didn't switch my bias actually, is that we also took out this liquidity, and then we saw a small change of character here, and we were for the second time in towards our 50. For me, that was a confirmation to go more far long, and that's actually what we did. So we hit our take profit, and actually, it is not the best week this week. I still expect to take out this high. To be honest, I wanted actually to aim for all the way for this high to take a 1 to 5. I need to stick to my strategy because I felt like that before. So for now, we don't do anything on gold. It's okay. We're still on this trade, and yeah, just let me take a sip of coffee. We put our stop loss already at break even, because look what happened. It is just one big block right now. What happens? There's always liquidity above the lows and liquidity above the lows and liquidity above the highs. So we put this one to break even. Of course, we can let it stand over here, but I don't feel safe because then my stop loss can get hit. So what I might want to do, go for another opportunity, take this liquidity out, and then finally go short because there is a nice area to go short from. So I might place my limit like this later on another account because we don't want to be in this trade because I really thinking that we will. We also took small liquidity on the downside here, so but now I really expect to grab more liquidity from the upside and maybe go more. I don't think we go more up. There's a very nice area. We also didn't hit our 50 yet, so I still want to see that happen. But we need to enter the trade more safe. That's an opportunity for me, which looks really well. And then we have Euro GBP. Yeah, what can we say about it? We were not too happy about this entry. Our stop loss is very wide, and then the price is still ranging in this area. We in the lower time frame we test back towards our 50 zone, and yeah, right now I think we should just use some manipulation, maybe, because it's around 9. Maybe people want to go short. Maybe there's liquidity underneath the low here before we go back up. We just let it trade for as it is, and we also not gonna take any other trade on this account where this trade is running, and because we almost have our phase one. It's not the best trade. The swap fee is very, very big. It's starting to look like a very, very big swing trade right now because it takes a long time. But the good part about it is we already broke up towards the upside here, so I expect more upside also. Then we had to Euro US dollar yesterday. We again hit our stop loss because I thought internally we were way below our 50, but maybe uh, this was the area we should have gone long, but we also didn't got our opportunity because we didn't break structure here. And then we just went long, short, 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 and I thought I saw a small change of character over here. That's where I wanted to put my limit here to go long, but that did not happen, so we got stopped out once again, and that's totally fine. And we're just collecting data. We need to see what is working and what is not working. We need to be more sharp. We need to train ourselves. Also, every day I will do back testing now more because I need to make those reps. As in training, you also need to make reps, and also with trading, you need to do it. Yeah, maybe the last thing I just want to see is USD cut, but for me, I'm not sharp these days, so I'll just focus on back testing a little bit and probably just make my daily outlook each day. The only thing what I still have in mind is and feels well is this trade. Because we will just remove the drawings a little bit because we have our high and we have our low. And we have our game box. So we also didn't take went back into the 50. And yeah, for me, this is still a valid trade. I want to see the ticket, this liquidity out here and then go short. For me, the best opportunity. Um, okay, it is what it is. I'm not feeling too well today. Might only go for this one, and see you in the next.